tell us a little bit about what the African Express is?
Oh wow. It's something that was put together by Dramâu and some other good people, Stephen Budd. I mean, it's been going on for the last 5 years or more. And basically what it is just a fusion of African musicians with some English musicians, American musicians, just coming together and just an amalgamation of great music, you know, but mostly influenced from, you know, by African music.
Quand j'étais gamin, je vivais à Berlin-Est. Le petit blanc qui voyait passer disait à leur maman, maman, regarde le nègre. Ouais, moi je traverse le ville par jour. Je suis un véritable. The world is my house.
I mean, this tour has been amazing. We've actually been on the train, so it's the Africa Express train, and we were traveling from Glasgow, Middlesbrough. We went to, we were in Cardiff tonight. We went to Manchester yesterday, and it's been amazing. Like every show has been better than the previous one. I mean, as an artist, I always get a bit nervous before we go to the next city, thinking, "Whoa, what's the reception going to be like?" But last night at Cardiff, it was not expected at all. We had so much fun, and I'm sure, you know, the audience had fun as well.
Yes, ich bin bei mir. Mein Kongo ist wunderbar, aber hat viel Problempolitik. Und die kleinen Kinder hat nicht mehr etwas zu essen. Oh mein Gott. Ich bin ein Kongo-Lieder. The world is my love.
America is my love. Zimbabwe is my love. Kenya is my love. China is my love. Cuba is my love. Colombia is my love. Leslie is my love. Israel is my love. Scotland is my love. Congo is my love. Bangladesh is my love. Nigeria is my love. Japan is my love. Jamaica is my love. America is my love. Chechnya is my love. Cuba is my love. Colombia is my love.
The world is my love.
Congo is my love.
Is there any chance of a return trip with the train then?
Maybe next couple of years, because you can understand how much work goes into this. I have a feeling we're going to Africa next year. But we'd love to do it again, man. It's never happened before, and this has been a real success. It's been amazing. So we might come back.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
That's brilliant.
Thank you.